Democratizing wealth is a massive problem that faces the whole world, but we really need the entrepreneurs and the 1% wealthy in the world to be the kind of the thought leaders and the action leaders when it comes to democratizing wealth. The way that we invest our money, the way that we do business, and the way that we conduct ourselves can have a huge impact on democratizing wealth. We need to be the champions for the solution, because if we don't champion the solution, the only answers being provided at the moment are more tax and spend, and that clearly isn't a sustainable solution to the world's problems. So we need to focus on how we can empower entrepreneurs to create wealth and to be able to sell their businesses for decent sums of money, because I believe that entrepreneurs are the change agents that will make the world a better place. We need to empower them with capital. Unfortunately, being an entrepreneur doesn't automatically make you rich. In fact, quite the opposite. Most entrepreneurs start a business because they want more time and they want more money, and then the business takes away all of their time and all of their money, and they don't end up becoming wealthy. And it's only when they become wealthy from being an entrepreneur that they then have the time and the cash to focus on other things that have perhaps affected them in their lives, whether that's homelessness or cancer or whatever it is that they want to invest their time and resources into fixing. When they've got time and they've got money on their hands and they've got a desire to solve that problem is going to get the attention that it really, really needs. So we need to empower more entrepreneurs, and those entrepreneurs need to lead the way in democratizing wealth.